got a new project that we're going to start. We're going to be planting some Arborvitae in this planter box that's right behind me right here. Kind of interesting thing is I got some vegetables planted in part of it, so we'll see how that works. But okay, there we have 15 Arborvitae planted. Now the digging was really easy because we had prepped this Arborvitae bed last year, so all the ground is really soft and easy to dig. And so we'll come in, we'll put in some mulch, some topsoil mulch on top, give it some really good nutrients on there. And now the oddity is that I've got, you've been following on my garden project, but this, I've got the tub. I did transplant my tomato, but my eggplant and my acorn squash, we're going to leave here. These Arborvitae won't jump up too quick, and so they won't be in threat of choking out the vegetables. But the vegetables for this one season will have plenty of space to grow. I can vine them off to the sides and take care of them that way. So there we go.